Hello and welcome back to Everyday Endurance. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how to make a good salad. So let's get started. Making a good salad can be easy and fun, as long as you keep in mind a few key principles. Here are some tips for making a delicious salad. Choose fresh ingredients. The quality of your ingredients will greatly affect the taste and texture of your salad. Look for crisp, vibrant greens and vegetables, and avoid any that are wilted or discolored. Choose ripe, juicy fruits and flavorful herbs to add variety and depth of flavor. Balance flavors and textures. A good salad should have a balance of sweet, salty, sour, and bitter flavors. It should also have a mix of crunchy, chewy, and tender textures. You can achieve this by using a variety of ingredients, such as nuts, seeds, dried fruit, fresh fruit, cheese, and croutons. Dress it up. The dressing is the key to bringing all the flavors and textures together. You can use a simple vinaigrette made with olive oil, vinegar, and herbs, or experiment with more complex dressings like honey mustard or avocado ranch. Be sure to dress your salad just before serving to prevent it from becoming soggy. Don't be afraid to experiment. A good salad can be made with almost any combination of ingredients. Don't be afraid to try new things, like adding grilled chicken or shrimp, or experimenting with different types of greens and vegetables. Have fun and let your creativity shine. Serve it fresh. A good salad is best enjoyed when it is fresh and crisp. Try to prepare your salad just before serving, and avoid letting it sit out at room temperature for too long. If you need to prepare it in advance, keep the dressing separate and add it just before serving. By following these tips, you can create a delicious and nutritious salad that will be sure to please everyone at the table. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.